Well, he's got the tractor tied to the car or the car tied to the tractor. I'm not sure which one. Let's talk about what else he's done today. Yesterday, he went down there to the barn and divvied out feed to the hogs. This morning, let's say he's hoping the bottom's on the hopper bottom, and climbed inside the hopper bottom. Why, we don't know. I'm glad there wasn't 800 bushel of corn on it. We've decided it's time for you to go to preschool. You're going to preschool Monday. You're messing too much stuff up. What? You're a big baby.
Me a baby.
You're a little baby.
No.
You're a little baby.
Me a baby.
Little baby.
Me a water baby.
You're a little baby.
Bye.
So it's September the 15th. We're halfway through September. And normally that means we're halfway through corn harvest. But we're not having that great of luck. We started off really good, which we started a good week later, if not 10 days later, than we normally start shelling corn. We've normally got some corn shelled by the end of August. Well, it was September the 7th when we started, and we run 2 days, and then we hit some high moisture corn. And it jumped up 20%. Well, we went on and shelled that 10-acre farm because we done got started on it. And moved to Robert's farm, and it was checking 18.6. So we decided we'd take the weekend off and let it dry down. Well, it rained while we was gone that week, like this weekend, so really didn't do much good drying there. So we shelled a truckload, and it was 17.8, and we've decided that we're going to go on and run today. We still got 350 acres of corn to go. We did shell some for our neighbor, helped him out. His combine went down, so we shelled 20 acres for him to finish up a farm. So we're working on odd jobs, waiting for the dew to get off. We had a big dew this morning, so we hooked the dirt pan up, and we've got it in. It needs some attention. We got to replace those pins right there. You can, well, let me zoom out. You can see the wear on them there, and the other one, on the other side, the cap is just broke plumb off, and then got a cylinder that needs rebuilt that's leaking. Probably might as well take that one off and get it rebuilt. Got a hydraulic hose leaking. Really needs, them 2 hoses there are brand new, but it really needs new hoses all the way around. But you get a shot right here. You can tell, you can see where the end of that pin broke off. It's old pin. Got lots of age on her. I'm pretty sure the Pilgrims pulled it over here with the Mayflower. But it gets the job done. I bought it in 2015. Just needs a little work. And I guess we're the ones to do it.
Daddy.
What?
Hamburger, Daddy. Get a hamburger.
It looks a lot like my memo pads. full now. We're putting what's left on the buggy on the back hopper. Shouldn't be much. That's auger buggy plumb full. That's typically a little more than half a truckload. So 2 full buggies will fill a truck. Tractor down, start closing the gate. That little rod you see going down, that's the rod to show how far the gate's open. And it goes all the way down. You can typically hear it in the tractor idle, the tractor all the way down. Shut the PTO off, push the lever down, let the gate auger down. There you go, fill up again. The conversation in this tractor is Rivington. They done conked out on me. Going to get another load. Ready for him to get in some long roads where we can get something done. I guess for some, this is the second farm we've shelled beside the cemetery this year. We've shelled 3 farms. This is the 3rd farm we shelled, and 2 of them's been beside cemeteries. This is Tyson. It used to be Dire Green back when it was an independent owned thing. But now Tyson's coming here and they've putting up chicken barns around here, and they bought the local elevators where they could buy corn to keep those chickens fed. Right now I'm sitting here waiting for them to direct me on which pit to go to. And over there you can see them loading rail cars out. Not everybody's gotten started shelling around here yet, so ain't many trucks running here yet. We're hoping to get a big part of our corn out before everybody gets started and we have to start waiting in long lines. So I guess they're just running one pit right now. I don't know if they're loading direct from the pit onto the rail cars. I wouldn't think the corn is dry enough for that yet, but it might be. I highly doubt ours is. They'd probably have to run ours through the dryer. I didn't ask what the moisture was running on the combine. I'm gonna say around 17. Come on, girl. Come on. Get a running start. Get a running start. Come on. You can do it.
You can do it, Patton.
You can do it. I know you can. Come on, Patch. Come on.
You can do it.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Patton can
Come on.
do it.
Get a running start. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Fixing to have to get it together. Gonna have to get that second pump pit running. Another truck coming in behind me. This ain't even half of everybody started shelling yet. Alright, here's a look at her ticket from Tyson. Got Dyer, Roberts Farm. There was 837.86 bushel on that load. And the moisture was 17.4 and they docked us $188.52 on that load. Now, they're not shrinking it. They're not shrinking it to dry bushels. So here's the way I look at it. Alright. If they had shrunk it from 17.4% moisture to dry corn to 15%, it would have knocked it down to 814.2 bushels, or 23.66 bushels of strength. Now, let's go to our calculator. So, if I can pull it up here. Work with me, baby. So, home screen. So I got my handy dandy calculator here. 23.66 bushel times The spot price today is $3.58. That's $84 of extra corn, basically. So you take 188 minus 84. He basically got docked $104 on that load. If you divide that by the 837 bushel, it basically docked them 12 cents a bushel. So I don't really like getting docked at all, and best I can figure about 16 and a half is the break even on that. But it is halfway through September. We only have 60-something acres of corn shells, and we need to be running, so we're just taking it and going on. Bib number 2 must be down. They got the electric company here working on it, looks like. Come through and blow some digum trees over, so we're having to dodge around them, having to leave some corn. First time we've had the lights on so far this year during harvest. Probably gonna be the first of many nights with the lights on. Y'all see a little nighttime action. it's just a little bit more fun than shelling corn sometimes.